guys, this is John from Jalen. I want to bring you yet another Tesla here in the building. We just finished this one up. This is a Tesla Model Y. Went ahead and did 35% for the front two doors, and we also added the 25% to the rear windows as well. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but as you guys can see, you can kind of see through it all the way across right there. Obviously, the backs are a little darker than the fronts, given that we did add 25% on top of the factory glass. So this is a nice shade if you want a little bit more privacy, but not too dark. There's a contrast between the 35% front two doors and the rear windows. This customer also wanted the front windshield done in 70%. This is all done in 3M ceramic IR. 70% is very, very transparent. You guys can see there. Pretty much make out everything in the car. And then as we go inside, customer wanted to do the darkest shade for the moonroof. As you guys can still see, there's the sun, and there's an airplane passing by. You can see the tree. So you can definitely still see out during the day. Obviously at night it becomes a little bit more difficult, and there's a little bit of glare from everything that's beneath it. But nonetheless, you can still see out of this glass. This is the best one if you want maximum heat rejection and also maximum glare reduction as well, especially if you have a kid. So there you guys have it. Quick little video of the Tesla Model Y. 35 fronts, 25% back on top of factory. Let's see if I can get you guys a different angle. Obviously the back is really, really dark. It's a smaller window. And then, you know, given that back there is really, really dark as well. So that definitely darkens up a lot for privacy. There's this angle right here. There you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching.